Hi guys and welcome back here. So let's get here directly into the Bitcoin chart, the 1 hourly. So we saw yesterday here a massive correction to the downside, which is not that severe. I definitely want to talk about this. Also about the Ethereum chart, Cardano, Ripple and Solana. And if we have some time left, also about the Bitcoin dominance and about this secret coin that I was mentioning from time on time on my YouTube channel. So please stay with us until the end. There is a lot of info right now here in the video that you should not miss out on. If you're the first time here on the channel, please subscribe to the channel and also activate the notification bell so that you will not miss out on these important updates here on Bitcoins and on certain altcoins. So, and first of all, I want to say, sorry guys that this video comes a little bit later than usual out. I'm actually sick again. Maybe if I come a little bit closer, you see how red my nose is, you know. So I went to the gym and thought that I can go to the gym again, and then I got a relapse and I'm sick again. So yeah, but now let's get here into the Bitcoin chart. So here we can see that we had here this massive correction here to the downside after we created a new all-time high at $69,000 approximately. So and that was exactly the target here of this falling wedge that I was talking yesterday about, that if we would get a breakout that we would go up here and most likely then even higher, but that was a massive bull trap and we got slammed down here. So and I was with both predictions right, actually. So and that with the bull case and with the bear case, that's not really happening that often. So we also had here this head and shoulders. Here the left shoulder, the head, the right shoulder. So and I had told you if this would play out, we were lucky that it's just a small one. So that we would go down here to $63,000, and look where we ended up. Exactly to the dollar, to the technical target, all the way down here, which is crazy. So yeah, but now we are here heading higher once again. So the only problem that I have with this here on the 1 hourly chart, after we broke it to the downside, if we get then a move like this, so this is now here a smaller rising wedge. So and I don't like this because these small rising wedges, they tend to break down, and that would mean we get one more time here move to the downside to like $63,776 approximately. So we should pay attention to this. So this is something that could play out here in the immediate short term. This would be only invalidated if we break it to the upside and break above this level here of $66,300. So only if we break above and settle above this level, this would change. So I know a lot of you guys got yesterday stopped out. I also got stopped out of my trades. Some of them, not all of them, but there was 2 trades that I got stopped out. So I had to re-enter, which is not bad because I was in profit. So and yeah, things like this are normal in the crypto market. We should never forget it's a highly volatile market, especially when Bitcoin is always so close to print new all-time highs. So but now in the immediate short term, how would I play this? So I would play this if we break here down to the downside and we break $64,500. There I would open a short position and trade this all the way down to at least here 63,600, even 62,700. That kind of range is something that I would then target. So that would not give us that much of profit, I think. So yeah, so that would be a really small scalp trade here. With the 10x leverage, it would be 12.5%. With 25x leverage, it would be roughly 30% more or less. So it's not really that kind of trade that I'm looking for. So but to the upside, it's a little bit different. So here, if we break above $66,200, that is a 4.2% trade all the way back up to the all-time high, and is highly likely that we will then come back up and test this. So there's a 4.26% trade. That is something that I would look out for with a 25x leverage trade. That would give me 100% on this really short-term play. So to the downside, not really interesting. To the upside, definitely interesting. It would be only interesting to the downside to open down here along again. But I obviously would wait to see what's going to happen when we get down here. If we start consolidating, if we start forming bullish patterns here that are pointing to the upside, only then obviously I would open a new long position in these regions. So then a longer term outlook. Here on the longer term outlook, you see we are once again back at this horizontal resistance line from the prior all-time high all the way back from here. So, and I would like, obviously, again, to see a daily close above this level. So if we get a daily close here, the chances are increasing that this will now become new support and that we see here really soon a new leg to the upside all the way up to our technical target here at $74,000 for this cup and handle pattern. So here also on the bump and run pattern here, we are definitely still on track. Also here, watching the horizontal level, what's going to happen here, we should get a bounce from here and then also continue to move here into higher levels. So especially that we are now moved away so much already from the bull flag is technically increasing the chance that this is going to play out and that we get up all the way to the technical target of this bull flag of $85,800. So I also want to have a quick look on my trades here. You see, so my Bitcoin trade was one that I got stopped out, but in profit. So I got stopped out here with 0.08 Bitcoin in profit. And now I'm back into this trade. So it's $456,000 approximately this trade. So I'm here now $157 in profit, really small. But my Ethereum trade is still over 2 Ethereum in profit, roughly $10,000. Then here on Phemex, my Bitcoin trade is here also still at 0.37 Bitcoin in profit, roughly $24,000, 107%. So these trades I definitely keep open and will continue to scale into these trades. So and if you also want to trade on these platforms and take advantage of the trade codes that I give you here absolutely for free, guys, then please go to the pinned comment below. There you find links to Phemex and also to Bybit. On Bybit you still get a $3,500 bonus, and on Phemex still a $1,600 bonus just for a short amount of time. They are running out pretty soon, so you should be quick and take advantage of that. And send me then your Bybit or your Phemex IDs so that you can join my private Telegram Discord group where I share 1 to 2 signals per week absolutely for free. So take advantage of that. So now let's get here quick into Ethereum. So Ethereum is here on the 4-hourly chart. Luckily above the EMA ribbon here again. So that is a bullish sign, especially if we close now the candle in 20 minutes above this level. It increases the chances that we will stay above the ribbon and go here higher again in direction of our technical targets here of the 4,827 golden pocket range, and then also the 5,400 Fibonacci extension level on the 2.618. So we saw here a massive shakeout to the downside here. So, but luckily we did not get stopped out because we trade from a position of strength. So, and the liquidation price is way lower than this. So I was not concerned at all with that drop, and we came really quick back up here into the EMA ribbon. So, and that should definitely continue. But guys, remember, I had warned you that this rising wedge here will break down. So, and then it turned around, but then eventually break all the way down. So, but now this played out and is done, and now we should see here more upside in Ethereum. So if you want to take here a trade, here's a good range between 4,666, 4,750 to get into a trade and then trade this up all the way to $5,460. Don't forget you can do this on Bybit and on Phemex. If you don't have an account, click on the links below. There you get still a deposit bonus for using my links. So then we have not that much time left. I want to also quick talk about XRP. So XRP looks similar to Ethereum. So here we could technically draw a broadening falling wedge like this. So if we leave out this fake out, so in my opinion this is still a valid pattern here. So and this should also break pretty soon to the upside. And here you see the technical target is at $1.30 more or less. So and here I would enter this at $1.24. That would be also a really, really quick trade on XRP. So here we could bank 4.85%. So with a 20x leverage, that's roughly 97% that you can make in a really, really short amount of time here. So other than that, I see not major downside here. Obviously, we could see here another bounce to the bottom of this broadening wedge, but then most likely we will come back up, break, and continue to trade here to the upside. So then I want to quick cover also Solana, because I know a lot of you guys wanted also to know what's going on here with Solana. So and then we are almost at the end of the video again, guys. So let me flip this here to a 4-hourly chart. So here you see this falling wedge did not play out. So let's see if we extend the lines, what we are getting then. Yeah, so we are here in a downwards trending channel right now. So we are close to break this. So yeah, we should definitely watch out for this. So here this bull flag is invalidated because we did not break into higher levels. And the stochastic RSI is also close to get into overbought conditions. So most likely we will see here one more leg to the downside, maybe to the bottom of this downwards trending channel, and then also here move back to the upside into new all-time highs for Solana in the immediate short term. And don't forget also these you can trade on leverage exchanges. So guys, then something else in my private Telegram group, in my private paid signals channel, we are still killing it. Even though we had this drop, we make amazing gains here. You can see this here once again. So if you want to be part of my paid signals channel, then go to the pinned comment below. There is a Telegram link where you can contact my staff and they will hook you up with our signals channel. So they're amazing gains. It's affordable for everyone. Take advantage of this. So then let's have a quick look here at the Bitcoin dominance. The Bitcoin dominance is once again doing exactly what I said way back, that when we break here under 44.4, that we might get here a retest at 44.4, and that's what we saw. And from there we got now a rejection. So now we should see a further move here to the downside to 40.93. And when the Bitcoin dominance is falling, most of the altcoins are rallying like crazy. So we should definitely pay attention to this. In my opinion, the altcoin season has obviously now started, and with a further downwards move, we will see here crazy gains. You also, for example, CHR and Chili's, these coins went already absolutely bananas, and also LRC. So, and that was just a small glimpse of what's yet to come in this bull run and altcoin season. Guys, that's already the end of the video. If you would like to support the channel, then also go to my Twitter account, AMCrypto Alex, and follow me on Twitter, because there I also post a lot of valuable informations every day. I post a couple of times every day. Also here you see I posted this Bitcoin breakout. You could have traded this. Also here this ego trade. You could have traded this. So take advantage also of my Twitter account. Other than that, the secret coin. So the secret coin is Project V. And I cannot tell you that much more about the project. You can go to AMCrypto and to CryptoMo to find out more about this project. I know when they're gonna release it. I know the real name of that project, so but I'm not allowed to disclose it. But I can tell you guys it's coming soon. It is really, really close. It's coming. So yeah, other than that, please smash up the like button, click the subscribe button. click the notification bell so that you will never miss out on these important updates. And you know it, I will see you at home tomorrow.